Just picking up from the last video, I wanted to let you guys know what was going on. For those of you that are new here, my name is Don, and this is Adventures This Way. Here at Adventures This Way, I'm all about riding, maintenance, and repairs. And today, we are big time into repairs. So, yeah, this is where we're at, guys. This is where we're at. You would have seen in my last video that I had the engine out, and I took the head off and had an inspection, and it wasn't good. It was not great. It wasn't horrible, but it's not good. So let's just do a little walkthrough here. It's a mess. I got to get it cleaned up. I'm going to do another video on how to remove the front differential. I've done it a couple times now, and there's a lot of people that don't know how to do it. It's kind of tricky until you know how to do it. So I thought I would do that video. But I just want to get you guys, show you where we're at. And this is it. And if you can guess where we're at, can you? Can you guess where I'm at with my ATV? I'm partner out, boys. She's done. It's not worth sinking another dime into this thing. I'm sick of it. I love how it works when it's working, but it's been down more than it's been running. No, some of that has to do with me and what I've done to it, but a lot of it's just, it can't handle the wear and tear. It cannot handle the wear and tear. Like, look at, like, it's just falling apart, man. Like, it's rusting, and it's not that old. It's just, it's not doing well, boys. The sand and grit that's in our area, it's just so rough on everything. It just sandblasts everything. Sold the RJ and the tuner. It's gone. Put it off to somebody up in Sudbury. He's gonna have a blast with it. It'd be great. Sounds awesome. The only way that a single RJWC exhaust sounds better is when it's on a 1000. Yeah. But then there's one level above that, and the dual RJs on the scramblers with the dual exhaust, that sounds wicked. Oh, it sounds awesome. But we don't have one of those. Check it out, boys. You know, it's sad, but you gotta move forward. You know, you gotta move forward. It's too bad I just got the new heated grips on there. Heated film warmer. Got the halos. I'll take the halos off. I'll see if someone wants to buy them, but if they don't, I'll repurpose them. I'm sure I'll get them off easy enough. Oh, the other thing I sold too was the Rad Relocate. Oh, it's nice warm in here. Pardon the mess. But a guy wanted the Rad Relocate, and I'm like, yeah, sure. Just get yourself a new grill. This is from Rubber Down Customs. His name's Paul. Trying to think of his name. Pretty sure his name's Paul. Paul Devitt? Paul? Yeah. Anyways, they're pretty cool. He can get himself this new piece made up, and he's got the brackets and everything else, and save him a few bucks, and gives me a few bucks in my pocket. Yeah, my young lad's been working a lot, so he's like buying stuff. Got himself a gaming chair. Whatever. So everything that's here, everything's available. Well, I wouldn't buy that airbox. Transmission's good. Transmission works awesome. Everything's for sale. Got to recoup some costs. Fuel tank and the fuel sending unit, that would definitely be something I'm sure someone would want. Definitely. Shocks. Oh, the arched A-arms. Sell those off. I need the cash right now. I need the cash. So then the question is, what am I doing next? I don't know yet. I have to sell the parts in this first before I can really move too far forward. The other issue we have is supply. Well, I'll tell you this. I am getting a new ATV, and I'm not buying a used one. I am buying a freaking new one. and I sort of had a plan that I wanted to get a brand new snowmobile for next year. You know, have fun with the Sportsman and just keep riding it and get myself a brand new snowmobile. But where we're at with things now, that's not going to happen. That was a really tough thing for me to have to deal with. But I realized with the amount of snow that we get, yeah, it's snowing out there right now. Look at, like, it's just dusting of snow everywhere, and it's January, what is it today? The 20th, I think today's January 20th. Oh, Inauguration Day in the US. That should be interesting. But yeah, so, you know, I just give up on that dream of snowmobiling. Maybe, you know, maybe I'll get myself something used down the road in a couple years. I really want to do more off-trail type riding. I'm done with trail riding. And as it turned out, what a genius I was to sell my sled. Got, you know, good value for it because the timing was right. And then as the way things have gone with, you know, COVID situation, especially here in Ontario, trail riding is just, it's a mess. Everybody's crying and whining about it, but I'm not. I'm not riding anything right now, but I will be soon. So the question is, what ATV am I going to get? If you have any ideas, leave me a comment on what you think I should get or what you think I may have already done. Maybe I already chose. Maybe I have, maybe I haven't. I got to finish getting this thing stripped down so that I can sell the parts off and work my way towards a new machine. I'm not sure what my next riding video is going to be. Hopefully not too long, actually, because I'm working on getting set up to ride a demo ATV, 1 or 2. Definitely get some video of that, and I'll start us moving forward.
I'll just pull you back.
It's all of a sudden like,
Yeah.
And then you just throw them away.
Go real slow, work it back and forth.
Okay.
Pull out of this hole.
Yeah.
Nice and slow, nice and slow.
Thanks for coming along for the ride, and I'll see you in the next one.